One man's trash is another man's treasure. This video explains the meaning of this proverb and then tells how we can apply it to our lives to bring luck, overcome difficulties, succeed. Value of recycling and repurposing. This proverb beautifully encapsulates the concept of finding value in what others may deem as worthless. In a world where disposable culture runs rampant, this saying serves as a reminder to embrace sustainability, creativity, and resourcefulness. When applied to our lives, it encourages us to look beyond the surface and discover potential in seemingly insignificant things. Just as one person may discard an old item, someone else might find treasure in its repurposing. By adopting this mindset, we can unlock a world of possibilities and beneficial outcomes. The principle of one man's trash is another man's treasure can be applied in various aspects of our lives. Take environmental conservation, for instance. By recycling and repurposing materials instead of simply discarding them, we can reduce waste, conserve resources, and protect the planet for future generations. On a personal level, this proverb teaches us to cultivate resilience and adaptability in the face of difficulties, setbacks, or failures. It reminds us to approach them with a positive perspective. By reframing challenges as opportunities for growth and learning, we can transform them into stepping stones towards success. Additionally, this mindset encourages us to appreciate the uniqueness and diversity in people. Just as one person's strengths may be another's weaknesses, each individual has something valuable to offer. Embracing different perspectives and collaborating with diverse minds can lead to innovative solutions and exceptional outcomes. Ultimately, the saying, "One man's trash is another man's treasure," serves as a reminder to not judge something or someone based on their initial appearance or perceived value. It encourages us to look deeper, explore possibilities, and find hidden gems. When we apply this mindset to our lives, not only do we contribute to a more sustainable environment by recycling and repurposing, but we also foster personal growth and success. We learn to see challenges and setbacks as opportunities for growth and resilience. We appreciate diversity and value the unique contributions that individuals bring to the table. In a world that often prioritizes newness and disposability, embracing the concept of one man's trash is another man's treasure is a powerful way to change our perspective. It allows us to uncover the hidden potential in the discarded and overlooked, and to find beauty, value, and meaning in unexpected places. So the next time you encounter something or someone that may seem insignificant or unimportant, remember the wisdom behind this proverb. Take a closer look, explore the possibilities, and you may just uncover a treasure that can enrich your life and the lives of those around you. If you found this video useful, please rate it highly, comment, and subscribe to the channel.